students. So previous video I have explained exercise 8D. Now we have to go for our next exercise, that is 8E, self practice 8E. So in the question, this one also based on the percentage only, but some different types of question is given, some different types of difficulty level is there. So here in the question number first, Ravi's class has 18 boys and 12 girls. What is its percentage composition? So we have to find percentage composition for boys and girls. So first of all, number of boys is given 18 and number of girls is also given 12. So just you add total student is how much will come? Total student, it will come 18 plus 12, so it will come 30. Okay. Now we have to find percentage composition, means percentage for boys. So boys percentage is equal to 18 upon 30, means whatever we are finding for finding y, so y upon total into 100. So we are converting into percentage, that's why we have to multiply by 100. So it will cancel out 0, cancel by 6, so 6 into 10 it will become 60%. So y percentage is 60%. Now we have to find girls percent. So girls percent is equal to 12 upon 30 into 100. So it will cancel out 0. Now 4 into 10 it will become 40%. So girls percent is equal to 40%. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. Now second question, just try yourself. Okay, now I will do question number third. Just see in the question number third. In the question third, an alloy contains 4% of tin. So tin percentage is given 4%. Tin is 4% and zinc is 1%. And question is saying composition for copper. So copper composition is how much? We have to subtract 100 minus 4 minus 1. Then it will come 100 minus 5. So 95%. So copper composition is 95%. Now we have, so in the question number first, this is the answer of the question number first one. Now we have to find B part. In the first is asking percentage for each composition. So tin percentage is 4%, zinc 1%, copper is 95%. So this is the highest. Now find the mass of each metal in 5 tons of the alloy. So mass of alloy is given, mass of alloy is equal to 5 ton. So we have to convert this ton into kg. For that we have to multiply into 1000, because in 1 ton 1000 kg is there, so it will come 5000 kg. Okay, now we have to find composition weight for each composition, means tin. So mass of tin is equal to 4% of 5000. So just calculate this, 4 upon 100 into 5000. So 20 will cancel out. So 5 into 2, 5 into 4 it will come 200, means 200 kg. So mass of tin is equal to 200 kg. Now we have to find mass of zinc. Mass of zinc is equal to 1%, means 1% of 5000. So how much it will come? So just find 1 upon 100 into 5000. So again 20 will cancel out, it will come 50 kg. So mass of zinc is equal to 50 kg. Now we have to find mass of copper. So mass of copper will be 95% of 5000. 95% of 5000. So 95 upon 100 into 5000. So it will come 200 will cancel. Just write on 0 and 5 5 are 25, carry 2 and 9 5 is 45 plus 2, 47. So this is the weight mass of in kg, 4750 kg. So this is the mass of all the composition. Now same types of question 4 and 5 also given. So fourth question, just I have left for you, just try yourself. Now I will do question number 5. So just all of you read the question number 5. What is given in that? A table is given. Average composition by weight of the milk is shown in the table. Here is given carbohydrate 5%, protein 3%, fat 4%, water 87%, other 1%. So these are the composition of the water. Composition of the milk is given. In the A part, question is asking how many gram are there of each component in 1 kg of the milk. So here mass of milk is equal to 1 kg. Okay. So we have to find for each. For that, just convert into gram. So 1000 gram will be there. For 1000 gram. Now we have to find carbohydrate, mass of carbohydrate. So mass of carbohydrate, it will come, mass of carbohydrates is equal to 5% of 1000 gram. So it will come 5 upon 100 into 1000. 200 cancel, it will come 50 gram. So carbohydrate, mass of carbohydrate in 1 kg milk is equal to 50 gram. Now we have to find for protein. So mass of protein will be here 3% of 1000. So it will come 3 upon 100 into 1000. Then it will come 30 gram. So mass of protein is 30 gram. Now we have to find for fat. So fat is how much? 4%. 4% of 1000. So how much will come? 4 upon 100 into 1000. So 20 again cancel, it will come 40 gram. So fat 40 gram is there. Now we have to find for water. So water, mass of water is equal to 87%. So 87% of 1000 gram. How much will come? So just write down here 87 upon 100 into 1000. So it will come 200 cancel, 870 gram. So mass of water is 870 gram. And other composition, other ingredients are given also. So here it will come other part. Other is equal to 1%. So 1 upon 100 into 1000. Okay. So it will come 10 gram. So in 1 kg other composition will be 10 gram. Now this is the A part of the fifth question. Now we have to do B part. How many gram of protein are there in 7.5 kg of milk? So mass of milk is given 7.5 kg. 7.5 kg. So we have to find mass of protein. Okay. In the B part, mass of milk is equal to 7.5 kg. So we have to find mass of protein. Mass of protein will be protein is 3% of 7.5 kg. So 3 upon 100 into 7.5. Okay. Now we have to calculate here. So what we do in this case? If you want, you can convert into gram also. So this one is a kg, just multiply by 1000 here, then it will come in gram. So 20 directly it will cancel. So 3 into 7.5 into 10. Now we want to remove this 10 will cancel, then it will come 3 into 75. So it will come 5, 3 is 15, carry 1, 21, 22. So it will come gram 225 gram of protein in 7.5 kg of milk. Okay, so this is the final answer. Rest of the question, whatever I have left, just try yourself. Okay, and next, so this is the self practice 80 is over, and next video I will explain self practice 8F. Okay, that's all.